My people, Dancehall skilla there. Big up respect and manners to each and everyone. My people, may I get some information from out of the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago about two persons who said to have been missing. See it? Yes, so it is said that those two persons was last seen from within last week to the starting of this week in viewers and subscribers. And today is the 19th of October, the year 2022. See? So I got information that body parts was found in a river in Trinidad and Tobago, and that investigations are being done to determine if those body parts are of those two persons who are said to be missing. Yeah, so we get information that a forensic examination on the dismembered bodies found in a river in Trinidad and Tobago would help to determine whether the remains were that of two persons who had been reported missing. Now, based on information that I got the understanding that those body parts was somehow found in a river by at least one person on Monday. And it is said that those body parts was found in what is believed to be garbage bags. It is said that the necessary authorities had been notified about the whole situation and investigation is being done when it comes down to the whole situation. Alright, so on another topic now, my people. Now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen pieces of videos on social media that shows some things that happened during a confrontation between civilians and the police within the country of Jamaica. Now, I got information that those pieces of videos had been recorded within central Kingston, Jamaica, and that two females had been injured due to certain things that happened between civilians and the police. It is said that two females who had been injured are said to be mother and daughter. And it is said that one person had been injured more than the other person. It is said that at least one resident within the area where those pieces of videos have been recorded said that there was some type of event that was going on, viewers and subscribers, and that shots had fired earlier on before police arrived at the location. And it is believed that some form of feud had been going on between gangs within the central Kingston area, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that at some point police arrived at the location and one thing lead to another thing, and then there was some form of confrontation and or altercation between police and civilians within the central Kingston area, viewers and subscribers. See, so it is said that at least two persons had been injured, and I got the understanding that some residents within the area are upset about certain things that happened. On another topic now, viewers and subscribers. Some of you might have seen pieces of videos that shows houses being destroyed in St. Catherine, Jamaica. And it is said that those houses had been illegally built on lands that persons got illegally. And it is said that an investigation had been launched into the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. Well, I got information that at least one person had been arrested and charged with the illegal sale of government lands in the Clifton Bernard Lodge, St. Catherine, Jamaica area. It is said that the person is a school principal, and it is said that the police identified the person as well. It is said that the person got more than one charges. It is also said that police said that the accused will be brought before the court. It is said that other persons are under investigation when it comes down to the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. Now, my people, please bear in mind that this whole situation is a developing situation. So I give you information when we get, and let you know what I know. With that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a man had been charged for dipping his private part or his genital or genitals in at least one water bottle that belongs to a female. It is said that the female said that she got an incurable STD. My people, I'm going to try my best to explain to you based on these news articles that I read. Listen carefully. So, it is said that a janitor was caught on camera dipping a part of his genitals into woman's water bottle, infecting her with an incurable sexually transmitted disease. So, there's a part of one of the news articles that I've been thinking. Listen carefully, because a part of the news article said that the man has been charged with indecent assault and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Now, me I wonder how the deadly weapon come in. See? Me I wonder what is the deadly weapon. I don't want to point it out. But me I wonder still. So me I say, and this is no joke thing still, my people. But me I fear think, what is the deadly weapon part? You know what I mean? And I me say so. A news article says so, but me I tell you. But anyways, it is said that sometime earlier this year, the female said she noticed a foul smell in the employee water dispenser at where she work, or a workplace. As I say, it is said that at some point, the female decided that she's going to drink water from bottles, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that at some point, the female became suspicious or thought that her own water bottle had been tainted. See it? So it is said that court records show a urinalysis confirmed it. It is said that at some point, the man had been caught on camera doing certain things. See it? Now the people, I'm going to try and tell you what at least one of these news articles said that the female said. You see me? But I cannot say every single word that I saw in the news article. So I'm going to use private part or private parts and so on, if possible. All right? So listen now. So it is said that the female said, pulls out his private part and puts his private part in her bottle, basically rinsing his private part in the water. Now, my people, that really sounds bad. And to be honest, I'm going to be real with you, my people. That sounds disgusting. I'm not even going to ask why. It sounds bad, my people. And just in case some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might be wondering where certain reports are come from when it comes on to this situation and certain allegations, or where the information them come from. Well, at least one of those news articles that I read mentioned about police from within United States of America. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded in Jamaica. Now, this video shows a man who had been placed in handcuffs and at some point taken into police custody. Now, information about the situation are somewhat sketchy, viewers and subscribers. Someone brought the video to my attention and I'm basically going by some allegations, alright? Now, allegedly, it is said that the man was at a certain location within the country of Jamaica and that security guards responded to information that they got about a man who was acting somewhat suspicious. Now, I don't get any confirmed information as to how the man had been apprehended, viewers and subscribers, but it is said that the man was apprehended and are placed in handcuffs and at some point taken into police custody, because it said that at some point police was notified about the situation. See it? Now, allegedly, it is said that a gun was in the person's possession. Yeah, allegedly, it is said that there was a gun in the person's possession, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, anyways, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. The video shows police as well as a security guard, and the video shows a person laying face down on the ground and in handcuffs. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Go I'm browning. You kill you, man. Just because it's serious. I'm browning. I know I'm browning, now I'm buried.
Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. And if you want to stay tuned to Dancehall Skilla, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Big up respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.